Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup meeting notes from Google Meet to Google Docs templates, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your meeting notes from Google Meet to Google Docs templates, start by opening Google Meet on your browser. Join the scheduled meeting where you want to take notes. Once in the meeting, open a separate tab and navigate to Google Docs. In Google Docs, you can either create a new document or select a pre-existing template. If you choose to create a new document, click on the blank option or select a template that fits your needs. With the Google Docs document open, return to the Google Meet tab to begin taking notes. As important points are discussed, note them down directly in your Google Docs document. To ensure your notes are organized, consider using headings for different topics discussed during the meeting. While taking notes, remember to capture key action items and decisions made during the meeting. Once the meeting concludes, review your notes for clarity and completeness. Make any necessary edits to ensure all important information is accurately reflected. To format your notes more professionally, use bullet points or lists to make them easier to read. Once you're satisfied with your notes, navigate to the File menu in Google Docs. Select Download if you wish to save your notes in other formats, or simply leave them in Google Docs for future access. Additionally, ensure that your document is saved in Google Drive for easy sharing with team members later. If you need to share your notes, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the document. Enter the email addresses of your teammates or generate a shareable link for easier access. Finally, close your Google Meet tab when you are done with the meeting and your notes. This method ensures you have a reliable backup of your meeting notes for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.